Hi everyone, this is Rick Slark and welcome to this framework we call Sales Chain. 12 tasks to be great when selling. The framework Sales Chain shows 4 phases and 12 tasks that companies need to be good at when selling. The first phase, sales preparation, has to do with the planning of the sale before the actual sale begins. The second phase, sale opening, is about calling, writing, and meeting with possible and actual customers. The third phase deals with the legal part of the sales process. The fourth phase is focusing on how to make sure that the order is paid for and customers are happy. Also, in this phase, you might try to repeat the sales process when the possibility of a new order arises. Now, a key point of this framework is that the sales chain is only as strong as its weakest link. That means that it is necessary for the company to be good at all 12 tasks if the sale is to succeed. Here's a few topics for discussion. Which phases in the sales process, if any, do you tend to spend more time on than another? Are there any phases that you should be spending more time on? Would bringing in additional competencies to the company by upskilling employees or hiring new help you handle some of the sales tasks better? Here's a few decisions that you should decide on. Number 1, the sales process design. How will you organize the sales process for different customer segments? Number 2, the sales phase improvements. Which part of the sales process will you improve and how? And number 3, hiring more sales support. Do you need to hire new salespeople to improve all or some of the parts of the sales chain? If you'd like more information on the framework we call Sales Chain, simply reach out to rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com.